Hi everyone, welcome to the shack. This is the third video in the in my sort of series on problem with my end-fed wire. Some of you will have already seen the others. Basically, I went to use the antenna a couple of days ago, and on top band, if I try transmitting with more than about 50 watts, there's arcing in the MFJ, and the SWR increases from, well, a perfect matched value of a sort of 1.05 to 1 to infinity, really. The other thing is that when I was keying the mic and just touching the antenna pot on the MFJ, the reflected power would increase, the SWR would increase, so something not quite right. You know, probably if you've seen the other videos, that when I opened up the weatherproof box that the 9-to-1 Unan is located in, that there was water present, so obviously I got rid of that and thought I'd dried it out. I put my analyzer on it and was just monitoring the bare match as it all dried out, and the bare match increased from about 2.7 to 1 to about 3.8 to 1 or 4 to 1, something like that. But anyway, even I thought it was dry, but it wasn't, and there was still an issue. However, if I key the mic now with 100 watts on 3.71, you can see, there you go, 100 watts going in, SWR not changing. A quick look on the MFJ, and you can see the reflected power needle just moves very slightly. 100 watts, that's my smoke detector going off, which it does if you use sort of digital modes or continuous tone above 100 watts or above 200 watts on the SSB, but working again. Now, I haven't done anything other than we had the 2 meter simplex net this afternoon, and Roger, G0AOZ, and Chris, G6LOI, both felt that there was probably still moisture present, and Roger suggested spraying everything with WD-40, which is exactly what I've done. Sprayed it with WD-40. This loose connection to the radiating wire was, I'd already tightened that up, and lo and behold, everything is working again. So which is great news, because my next move was to basically take all of this out of circuit and go back to the original configuration, whereby the antenna wire would go straight into the back of the MFJ via a banana plug, and then I run a longer earth cable from my RF earth, which is there, into the back of the MFJ, so which I didn't really want to do. So this does actually now seem to solve the problem. I'll give it a test later. I haven't actually worked any stations yet, but 100 watts on RTTY, and no issues with reflected power, no increases in SWR with power, able to transmit 100 watts, and I would bet probably that if I attached a Kenwood to it now, I'd be able to go back up to 200 on sideband with no problem at all. So there you go, simple fix. My thanks to Roger and Chris for the idea in the first place, and if I do record another video, it will be probably the first station I work once I've got it all back up and all tightened down, weatherproofed and up and running. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with you. Thanks for watching.